Congratulations! Well, gusto ko lang namin syempre, alam mo, after all this time, di ba? Kumbaga ngayon talagang kinikilala pa rin ng mga entertainment editors ang pinaghirapan nyo ni Alden. Yung mga best memories mo lang doon from filming?
Actually, wala pong specific moment kasi lahat, while filming, lahat siya memorable. Hindi siya magiging the same kung hindi si Alden ang kasama ko, kung hindi si Direk Irene ang nagsulat at ang nag-direct sa amin. So, lahat ng na-experience ko ngayon, it's because of them also. So, it's a very wonderful experience.
Buti you paused your family day-to-day for this.
Siyempre, lahat naman ng bagay kailangan din ng reward sa sarili natin. And eto, kasama ko naman ang aming team.
That's
so, sila naman ang kasama.
And of course, balita namin, babalik ka sa drama. Ano bang pwede mo i-share so far?
As of now, wala pa po. Surprise, it's a big project. Very happy ako and very close to my heart tong project na to. So hopefully, pag pwede na po namin i-announce, i-share po namin.
What made you say yes?
Maraming factor po eh. Bukod sa napakaganda po ng proyekto, pinangako ko po yun kay Sir Deo. So it's really close to my heart. And the story itself, maraming itatackle na hindi natin madalas natatackle. So medyo meron siyang lesson sa bawat isa. So yun yung gusto ko mag-impart. Hindi na siya basta-basta teleserye or series. So yun po yung dapat nila abangan. Ang hirap
yun na nga eh. Hindi pwede kahit anong lesson man lang or anong issue.
Medyo bawal pa po.
Pwede na ba i-chika kung parang marinig namin sinong makakasama mo? Hindi pa. Bawal pa. Sige, bitinin muna natin. Go ahead, Ana.
So, si Sir Deo, was he the one who pitched it?
Yes po. Actually, supposedly, last year pa to dapat i-shoot. Pero, talagang nainintay po nila ako. So, talagang kailangan gawin namin tong proyekto na to for him.
Can you take us back? Kailan niya sinabi sa'yo? What the setting was? Were you here sa Pilipinas or one of your travels?
Actually, before po ng travel ko, and then may meeting kami, magkasama po kami, pinag-usapan yun kung kailan, and supposedly that was May. And then, right now, we're doing it na.
You're
Starting na po.
Wow! So, mas makikita ka pa namin.
Yes.
Congrats! Thank you!
Thank you so much. Thank you.